So this is a typical piping organogram, piping discipline. If you see, we are having our head of department, lead engineering, pool of engineers, then pool of designers and modelers. Along with this, we'll have a look at how these team members are interacting with each other. If you see, HOD is directly interacting with lead engineer, and lead engineer is replying back to HOD. And HOD is responsible to interact with project team, and project is dealing not only with the technical teams but with client also. Now, project team is interacting with HOD as well as client. Along with these two major stakeholders, they are interacting with lead engineer also. Okay, so HOD and lead engineers are always interacting with other disciplines, like it is mentioned in bottom right corner, civil instrumentation, mechanical, electrical process, and other teams. Okay, so other than engineering, we are having procurement and vendors. Like piping team is interacting with procurement team. They are directly interacting with vendors and they are getting and sharing the information from vendor to the piping team. Okay, so this is a typical organogram where piping engineering is involved. So this here we can see how things are interacting and how project is done. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.